Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin with the essentials and immediately start targeted checks. First, confirm the headset has power or a solid wired connection. Headphones with inline mics need firm seating. Once done, open your device sound settings and pick the headset as both input and output so the signal routes correctly. Make sure physical mute switches and app-level mutes are off. If wireless, verify pairing status and battery level, because low charge often disables the microphone even while audio plays. Next, you tackle the software layer where problems hide. Update or reinstall audio drivers and any Bluetooth firmware to clear compatibility bugs and restart the computer after changes. Then inspect microphone permissions in the OS and in the specific app you use, because blocked access prevents capture. Also, turn off exclusive mode or enhancements that may steal the mic. To isolate the issue, test the headset on another device or try a different app. That tells you whether hardware or software is at fault. Finish with targeted physical fixes and a single troubleshooting mantra. Carefully inspect connectors, jacks, and the microphone boom for damage or lint. Clean ports gently and try alternative cables or adapters to eliminate a faulty lead. If using Bluetooth, remove the device and repair it and perform a headset factory reset when available. If it still fails, try the headset on a friend's device to confirm. One key tip: if intermittent audio persists, swap to a known good cable or adapter before assuming internal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.